System.io vs ClickFunnels 2025. Which funnel builder is better and cheaper? Hey there, it's me from the channel. Now in this video, we are going to compare two very popular funnel builders that are at the moment competing against each other. One of them is ClickFunnels and the other one is System.io, and we're going to answer the question, in 2025, which one of these two should you choose? Which one is better, and which one is also cheaper? So if you're interested in learning more about that, make sure to watch this video until the end. Also, I will give you a special gift, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you won't miss that out. Okay, so let's start with the first question, which one is better? Now, in order to answer that question, we need to look at some different aspects of these two funnels builders. The first thing that I want to talk about is ease of use, because when you're rebuilding your sales funnel, you want it to be as easy as possible. You don't want anything standing in the way between you and creating your sales funnel. So both of these two funnel builders are very easy to use. They have drag and drop editors and they are very intuitive. So if you've never created a sales funnel before, you will be able to do it with both of these tools without having any problems. However, if I had to choose one that is slightly easier, I would go with System.io. I feel like the interface is a little bit more intuitive and a little bit easier to understand than ClickFunnels. But this is just my opinion. You can try both of them for free and see which one you think is easier. The next thing that I want to talk about is the features that these two funnel builders offer. Both of them offer a lot of features and they are constantly adding new ones. However, I would say that ClickFunnels has a slight advantage here because it has been around for longer and it has more features than System.io. Some of the features that ClickFunnels has that System.io doesn't have are: 1. The ability to create your own membership area. So if you want to create a membership site, ClickFunnels is a better option. The second one is the ability to create a mobile app for your business. So if you want to create a mobile app, then again ClickFunnels is a better option. And the third one is the ability to integrate with more apps, because ClickFunnels has been around for longer. It has more apps that are integrated with it. So if you're using a certain app, chances are that ClickFunnels integrates with it. And if you want to learn more about those features and how to use them, you can check out our ClickFunnels review. Alright, so now let's talk about pricing. Okay, so both of these two funnel builders are very affordable, but they have different pricing plans. So ClickFunnels has a 14-day trial period and then it starts costing you $97 per month. However, after that 14-day trial period, it starts costing you $97 per month. And with that, you get access to all of the features that ClickFunnels offers. And they also have a higher plan which costs $297 per month. With that one, you can have up to 3 custom domains, and you get some more advanced features. Or if you want to learn more about those advanced features, you can check out our ClickFunnels review. Now System.io also has a free plan which allows you to have up to 1,000 contacts and you get access to most of the features that System.io offers. However, they also have a couple of paid plans. The first one is $27 per month, and with that you can have up to 5,000 contacts. And then they have another plan which is $47 per month, and with that you can have unlimited contacts. Both of these plans give you access to all of the features that System.io offers. So if you want to learn more about those features and how to use them, you can check out our System.io review. So in conclusion, if I had to choose one of these two funnel builders, I would go with System.io because it is cheaper and it is also very good for beginners. It is also very easy to use. However, if you need more advanced features, then I would go with ClickFunnels. But now it's time for you to make your voice heard. Comment below which one do you think is better and why. We would love to hear your opinion. Okay, now before we end this video, I promised you a gift, and the gift is that if you want to learn more about how to build sales funnels, how to create your first online course, and how to launch it successfully, we have prepared for you a free masterclass and you can get it on our website. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below and you will be redirected to our website where you can get that masterclass for free. So make sure to check that out. It's a great way for you to learn more about how to build a sales funnel and how to create an online course. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, it really helps us a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. We have a lot of great content coming up and you do want to miss out on any of that, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.